does it when you say it? Say no.
AJ, no.
No.
Shut up. No, do it. You do it.
Shut up.
Yeah. Oh.
Caca.
No.
No. No.
AJ, where's your nose? Show mommy your nose. Stand here. Where's your nose? Where are your ears? Where are your ears? Look, where are your ears? Yay! Where's your mouth? Oh, where's your belly button? Did you find your belly button? Where's your belly button? Yeah. Give me 5.
AJ, where's the fan?
Yeah. Where's the fan? And where's your car? Where's your car?
Which one?
No, then find one. Yeah. Well, that's pretty good.
AJ, where's Alex?
Where's Alex? Where's Thomas? Where's Thomas the train?
Where's Thomas?
Where's Thomas?
Bring Thomas over here.
Show mommy Thomas. Yeah, that's Thomas. And
Where are your shoes?
where are your shoes?
Where are your shoes?
No, that's your feet. That's your feet. Where are your shoes?
Where are your shoes?
Your shoes?
He just
No.
has right next to
AJ, your shoes.
maybe
Oh,
somewhere
because he
there.
probably saw. Yeah. There.
Yeah.
Give mommy your shoes. Give mommy your shoes.
AJ, where's Daddy's motorcycle?
Where's Daddy's motorcycle?
Yeah,
Where's Daddy's motorcycle? Yeah. What else? What else? What else? What else?
well,
Oh. Where's your, what else does he know?
AJ, where are the books?
Where are the books? AJ, where are the books? AJ, where are the books?
AJ, where are the books?
He knows his books, but I don't know.
Where are the books?
No, he doesn't know that
That's
one.
the
No,
thing.
Where's the TV?
he doesn't know the TV.
AJ, where does Mickey Mouse come out?
Where's Mickey Mouse? No, where's Mickey Mouse? No, Mickey Mouse is not on TV yet.
AJ, do push-ups.
Do push-ups, push-ups.
Do push-ups.
Do push-ups. Incredible how you remember those. Do push-ups.
Hey, maybe he knows. The chance.
I'm trying to remind him so he won't forget.
He knows where
Because
it
you
is.
know he
He
gets
knows where it
sidetracked
is.
with those candy canes.
No, he knows where it is.
Do push-ups. His face. Do push-ups. Go, do push-ups.
Do push-ups.
Go get the other one. Go get the other one. Go get the other one so you can do push-ups. AJ, go. Do push-ups. Do push-ups. Go get the other one. No, that's Thomas. Put Thomas down. Go get. Do push-ups.
Yeah, so that's alright. He knows the